Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. This time I wanted to revamp a top I had made that I wasn't wearing much because it didn't have the quite right shape for me. So I wanted to add a peplum to it. So I said this would be a good time to show you the quickest way to do a circle cut, especially for a peplum and not maybe a whole skirt. So I hope you enjoy this video uh, and tell me what you think. Leave me a comment below. Okay, so first things first is we fold the fabric over like top to bottom and then over right to left. So it's folded both ways. And then we're going to use the by hand landing measurements. Mine came to I think about 8 for the full skirt. And then I added the length I wanted it to be, which was around 10 inches, 9 or 10 inches from my waist to my hip line. So those are my two radiuses. Then I pin all the way around. To my shirt part. So see, the plugging was super quick and easy. For my top, this was a really boxy shaped top, and I'm a hippie girl, so I want to see my silhouette in my top. So think t-shirt with a split down the middle. I just used it as like an overcoat for other things, but I wanted to be able to wear it, more with like jeans. And so what I'm going to have to do is cut the top down to my natural waist so that I can add the peplum to it. Now the original length might have been around 20, 22, so that it hit at the hip. But now I need to make it around 15. That's where my natural waist is, from my shoulder to about my belly button, or from my back. On my back side, you want to just kind of stop right at your center back. So for most people, it's around 15. If you're a little taller, it's going to be around 7. Shorter, it might be maybe even 14. But typically 15 is a pretty good number. So I'm going to cut this top short and then add my peplum to it. So you do want to also add seam allowance. So with a 14 or 15 measurement, you still want to do like 16 because you have to attach your peplum. So don't forget seam allowance. So there you have it. I changed my top. I added the peplum. So to get it on there, I got to pin it all the way around, make sure it doesn't shift around. And then I'm going to give it a quick straight stitch. Now I'm not going to show every part of everything because we know stitching can be a little bit boring to watch. But of course you do want to go back over it with a zigzag stitch to secure it, and then also hem the very bottom of the peplum. I did give it a snip through the middle so that it still opens and closes. And if you want to see how I added the binding or even the straps to the side, also leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. I love it. I think it looks really good on my shape, and it helps to hide my tummy, and maybe you can make one too.